Hello investors, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my Robinhood portfolio for the end of the month once again. But before we get that started, let's check out one of your guys' free stocks that I'm going to be opening up. I'm going to pick the middle one this time, and thank you obviously for using my referral code. There's going to be a referral code below. If anybody else wants to sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock and I also get a free stock. Oh, Groupon. Honestly, Groupon's one of my least favorite, but hey, it's $3.42, so thank you for using the link, guys, and awesome. All right, so let's get into the portfolio. So right here you can see on Friday I was up about $86.40 during market hours, and then down $3.30 after hours. For the week, I am up $183.72, which is about 2.8%. For the month, we are up $335.92, which is about 5.3%. And then on the 3 month, we're up about $321.84, which is about 5%. Then if we look at the year, I'm up about $600, which is about 10%. But right here, as you can see, this shows like last year's trading. So right here is where you would actually start. So I started with about $6,000 invested this year at the beginning of the year in like March, and now we have 6,647. So we're up $647 this year, which comes out to be about close to like 10%, which is great. So let's get into the stock. So the first thing we have is obviously the options call right here that I have. So it's a January 17th, 2020 call on Disney 180. So I bought this contract right here, as you can see, at an average cost of 1.36, so $136. Now it's actually came back a lot, as you can see right here. My overall, when I bought it, it was up, and then it went down all the way down to like $54. So I lost a lot of money, but I stayed in it. I could have broke even here, but I'm holding long term, so I believe this is going to be up. Let's hope for some great Disney earnings coming up in August. So the first stock in the portfolio, as you guys know, is Microsoft. Microsoft has been doing amazing, and let's look at the past month right here. It's up about 5%. It had great earnings. It actually broke all-time highs. So I have 10 shares at an average cost of $124. My total return is $171.70, which is about 14%. That is amazing right there. Amazing. Microsoft is doing great. Next up, we have Disney. Obviously, Disney has been doing great. If you look at this past week, it's up 2.2%. And then the past month, it's up about 3%. But Disney is at $144.50. I have 14 shares of Disney at an average cost of $128.94. My total return is $217.90, which is about 12% return, which is amazing. Once again, Disney and Disney's coming out with earnings actually coming up right here, I believe August 6th. Let's check it out. August 6th. So I believe that earnings are going to be great, especially with all the movies that came out recently. Endgame, and they have like The Lion King, Aladdin, and many other things, Toy Story. It's going to be a lot of great things going on. So I believe Disney is going to blow those earnings away, and the stock is going to jump up. It's actually almost at all-time highs. It actually hit all-time highs the other day, I believe. Next up, we're going to be looking at Bank of America. In the past month, Bank of America is up about 6%. So I have 11 shares of Bank of America. My average cost is $29.76. I'm up about $11.11, which comes out to be about 3.4%. Not bad. This is just kind of like a dividend holding, but I'm not holding it in my other portfolio since I already had it on this one, so I'm just holding this one. AMD has been doing really good. It's up about 9.4% in the past month. I have 10 shares of AMD at average cost about $28.47, which comes out to be about $55.32 profit at 19.4%. AMD is one of my better holdings actually, and right there, as you can see, it hit all-time high this month again, so it's doing really good. Next up, we have Comcast. I have on here, and I also have it on my other portfolio, but in the past month, it's up about 6% almost. I only have 2 shares on this portfolio at an average cost of $43.64. I'm up about $2, which is about 2.28% on this portfolio. And Comcast not that bad. I mean, I have some shares on my M1 portfolio as well for the dividend. On this one, I had it, so I just kept it. Next up, we have Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy it's always a good hold. In the past week, it's down, but if you look in the past month, we're actually doing pretty good. It's up about 16%. So I have 10 shares of Enphase. Average cost is 16.87, but if you guys remember back in like March, my average cost was actually about like $8 or $9. And I'm up about $40 in this position, which is about 23.31%. If I would have held those shares from March, my buy cost was about $8 or $9, so right now I'd be over 100 and something percent, but I sold, so it's okay. But Enphase Energy earnings are coming up soon as well, so we'll see what happens with that. McDonald's just had earnings. Actually, it did very well on earnings. McDonald's is up about 4% this month, but if you see right here, after earnings, I had a nice little spike. It hit all-time highs. So I have 3 shares of McDonald's at an average cost of $200.15. Right now, my total return is $47.40, which is almost 8% of return, which is great. I mean, McDonald's is going to be a very, very great long term. I actually should have bought some more shares, but I didn't have any more funds on here, so I didn't. Next up, we have Waste Management, which also had earnings this week, I believe. So Waste Management in the past week is up about 1%. In the past month, we're up about 2.2%. I have 5 shares of Waste Management at an average cost of $112, so our total return is $32.50, which is about 5.8%. This is also at an all-time high as well. Next up, we have Alibaba. I believe this is a new holding for this month. I don't think I had it last month, but this week it's up about 3%. In the past month, it's up about 5%. My cost, I have 1 share. My cost was $176.50. My total return is $2, and I have 1.1% return on this one. Next up, we have Visa. Visa also had earnings this month as well. We're up about 2.15, or this week it's been up about 2%. In the past month, it's up about 6.7%. Visa is also at an all-time high. We have 3 shares at an average cost of $166.16. Our total return on Visa is $52.03, which is about 10.5% return, which is amazing. Visa is a very great long-term hold for me. Next up, we have PayPal. PayPal also had earnings this month. Did not do very well. It went up. It went down actually from $121 all the way down to like $113 right there. If I had more money, I would have probably bought some more, but I didn't. But in the past month, this stock is actually up 1%, so it's not that bad. I have 1 share at an average cost of $110.16. My total return is $5.55, which is about 5% return. The last stock in the portfolio is going to be NEO. NEO I actually added this month as well, I believe. In the past week, it's up 4%. In the past month, it's up 35%. Well, I bought 6 shares at $3.90, so I'm actually down $2.19, which is about 9%. So as you guys can see, the portfolio is doing pretty good. Right here, if I click total gains and losses, you guys can see exactly everything. So Disney down, everything else is pretty much up, as you can see, for the total, except NEO. NEO is the only stock that I am down on, but it's kind of irrelevant. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, what are your guys' top holdings in your portfolio? What do you guys hold in your portfolio? What has brought you the most returns this month? Because you guys can see that the year is almost halfway over. So how has the year been for you guys? Leave a comment below. What's your favorite stock that you're holding? What you guys think about my portfolio? If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead and click that link in the description. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Let's get some thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video, either on my portfolio or stocks. I know I'm running late on my top picks for August, but I've had some things going on right now, so that video will be coming out this week, so be prepared for it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.